So good afternoon ma'am. So this is the code of activity. So first is index HTML. So first doc type HTML head, and the next one is meta char set. So this meta char set is specific the character encoding as UTF. So the meaning of UTF, this is Unicode transformation format. So this one, and the title student information grade evaluation, and each one student information grade evaluation. Open the browser console F12 to see the multiplication table outputs. So this one lang. So the second is GS script. So the first let student name, so this one, and let score 1, so enter the quiz score 1, so this is the score about the quiz. And next is count passing grade 75. So the function calculate average, let total adds the 3 quiz score and divides the total by 3. So this one. And the next one, call the function. So this one, this are call the function about the score. And the function of this one, function evaluate, this is average is 75 or above, return to the past. So this one the function. And the next, this function calls the function and save the result. So this one. And the next one, this function, this let is honor average 90. So this one, throw average 90 above. And this one, the let summary, student name, quiz score, average, result. So dire makuha ng mga result niya. And the next one is for multiplication. So the meaning of this is generate the multiplication table. So therefore they are used for loop. This demo the first. So this one I will demo this. Let student name. So I will run my code. So run. So okay, I will put name Kyle and enter quiz score is 91. And the next one is 89, and the next one is 92. So this is a result of the score. So student name Kyle, quiz score 91, 89, 92. So the average is 90.67. so the result is pass, honor student. I will click the OK. And the next one, this multiplication. So this one, so I will demo. So this one, enter a number to display its multiplication table. So I will put 8. So okay, and open the browser console F12. So I click F12. So this one, 8. So this is the result of multiplication table. That's all. Thank you.